MS in US scholarships for Indian students. Hello students, there's a myth that MS degrees in the US would cost us Indians a heap load of money and it can be cracked only by the elite students. In this video, we at GyanDhan are going to shatter that myth by providing you with a list of scholarships that would help every student who prefer to do their MS in their states. Number 1. Aga Khan Foundation Scholarship. The students from developing countries with a lesser economical background who want to pursue MS will be provided with a limited scholarship by the Aga Khan Foundation. The scholarship awarded is 50% grant and 50% loan basis, of which the latter must be reimbursed with an annual service charge of 5%. A guarantor is also required to co-sign the loan agreement. The payback period is 5 years after the study period. The scholarship amount is provided for the tuition fees and the living expenses. To be eligible for Aga Khan Foundation Scholarship, you must be an Indian resident with a strong academic record. Your age should be less than 30. You can also be from other eligible countries where there are Aga Khan Education Services, Aga Khan Education Board or local Aga Khan Foundation. Number 2. Generation Google Scholarship. Google has aspiring computer scientists to hone their skills by awarding this scholarship to students who want to pursue their masters in the US or Canada. The scholarship amount is 5,000 Canadian dollars and 10,000 US dollars. To be eligible for Generation Google Scholarship, you should intend to be enrolled as a full-time student in bachelor's, master's or PhD program at a prestigious university in the United States or Canada. You should also exhibit leadership qualities and a passion for computer science and technology. AAUW International Fellowships, the American Association of University Women, provides this scholarship only to women to promote equity and education among girls. Over the past few years, around 3,600 women from more than 150 countries have been benefited with this scholarship. The scholarship amount of 20,000 US dollars can be based for tuition expenses, living expenses, and dependent childcare. To be eligible for this scholarship, you should be a resident of any country other than the USA holding an academic degree equivalent to a US bachelor's degree. You should have applied to a recognized US institution and should be studying for a full year as the organization does not fund a partial year. You should be proficient in English and submit proof of receiving your UG degree or diploma from an English-speaking institution. If not, you have to submit your TOEFL score, which should not be below 79. You should also intend to return to your home country to pursue a professional career. Next is the Global Study Awards. This scholarship, launched by the British Council for all nationals, will provide £10,000 towards tuition fees. And if the tuition fee is less than the scholarship fund, the remaining amount will be allocated towards living expenses for a maximum of 52 weeks. You should be above 18 years old with an acceptance letter from the relevant international institution for your UG or PG program. Number 5. Narottam Sexaria Foundation Scholarship. This scholarship loan is awarded for meritorious students who wish to pursue postgraduate studies in India and abroad. The students will have to pay back the loan according to the schedule set by the organization. You can get up to 20 lakhs as the interest-free loan scholarship amount. You should be an Indian resident with less than 30 years of age to be eligible for this scholarship. You should also be a graduate of an accredited Indian university. Final year students and students who are awaiting acceptance from their applied university can also register for this scholarship. Number 6. Illinois State University. Illinois State University offers merit-based partial tuition waivers to international students enrolled in UG or PG programs. The scholarship amount awarded can be up to $40,000 with a maximum of $10,000 per year, renewable for up to 3 additional years. There are no set eligibility criteria for this scholarship. It is awarded to students with excellent academic records continuing their education at Illinois State University. University of Oregon Scholarship. The University of Oregon provides many scholarships, with some are application-based, whereas for some scholarships, students are automatically considered based on their GPA and qualifying test scores such as SAT and ACT. Sushil Jajodia Indian Student Scholarship is one such merit-based scholarship where the scholarship amount of 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars may be awarded to Indian residential students each academic year. New York University offers merit-based scholarships to students based on the strength of their application and if the candidate complies with the requirements of the scholarship program. Students who want to apply for the scholarship will have to submit their applications online. NYU provides a lot of scholarship programs. The two programs which we are going to see are the Dean Scholarship and the Public Service Scholarship. In the Dean Scholarship, the full tuition scholarship is awarded to students of all degree programs and area of interest. Public Service Scholarship is where only a part of the scholarship amount is awarded to the students. This scholarship is also applicable to all the fields of study. Now, let's look at the key points to remember when getting scholarships from MS in the USA. GyanDhan stresses the students to keep these following points in mind when applying for scholarship in the US. You should make sure of the basic eligibility criteria such as nationality, age, and work experience for both the government and private scholarships. If you are not eligible for government or private scholarships, don't lose hope. You could also contact your target department to inquire about financial aid and funds for international students. Many times, the concerned department has enough funds to grant aid to students with financial needs. Academic excellence in your undergrad will be a great help in gaining scholarships. Therefore, strengthen your academic profile along with extracurricular activities that helps you to exhibit your potential and leadership qualities. The students should always have to keep an eye out for the scholarship deadlines as they tend to miss them amid their busy prepping schedules. For university-specific scholarships, students are automatically considered at the time of admission based on qualifying test scores or academic scores. For application-based scholarships, the eligibility criteria should be fulfilled. Please ensure that you provide all the details asked for in the application. Incomplete applications might be rejected and also make a bad impression on the review panel. Since MS in US scholarships has limited availability, students should be cautious while applying. Here are some simple tips to increase your chances of acceptance. Students should apply for as many scholarships as they can to increase their chances of getting a scholarship. For scholarships that require an essay to be written, make sure you get an essay reviewed by an expert. List down references or referees to strengthen your application. Ensure that the information is provided in a presentable manner and that there are no grammatical or spelling mistakes. Many students think that their scholarship is finalized when they submit the application, but that's not the case. The scholarship could also get revoked even after being granted acceptance. The following are some of the common reasons. Providing false information is one of the major reasons for scholarships getting revoked. You should be very careful while filling out the applications. Make sure to maintain the required grades if you are eyeing for merit-based scholarship programs. Switching your major or college could also lead you to lose scholarship funds from public or private organizations. Using the scholarship funds for anything other than the stipulated rules will lead you to revoking the award. Now, how can we at GyanDhan help you find your needed scholarship program? The students often tend to miss out certain details and even deadlines when looking for the best suited scholarship program. This is where GyanDhan Scholarship Finder comes in. The GyanDhan Scholarship Finder helps you find subject-specific, college-specific, and even country-specific scholarships. All you need to do is to enter a target course and country, and voila! Thousands of scholarships at the click of your mouse. If you can't seem to find scholarships for your program, check GyanDhan Scholarship Finder right away.